Hi there, I'm excited to introduce you to matrix questions in Glaut. With this feature, you can build full surveys directly in our platform without the need to embed the AIMIs in other tools or switch platforms add structured questions. So let's start. You'll find matrix questions alongside all your other question types. Just click Add New and choose matrix questions here. Setting up is as simple as creating any other question in Glaut, you'll see. We begin by entering the main question prompt. For example, in this case could be which of the following features do you associate with each product? From there, you can choose between two types. Use select matrix to compare items against the answer options, or a scale matrix to score items on a numeric or labeled scale. Let's walk through building a select matrix step by step. First, we add the columns. As you can see here, the answer options respondents can choose from, such as fast, reliable, innovative, affordable, or premium. Then we add the items, so the things we want to compare, as rows here, okay? Let's say we're comparing three products. Each product becomes a row on the left, while the answer options display as columns across the tops. For example, iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, or Google Pixel. Once structure is in place, we can add safeguards. To reduce order bias, we can randomize the rows with a single click. If there's something we always want visible at the top, here, for example, we can simply pin it. We can also choose the layout. By default, the matrix appears as a table, but we can instantly switch to a carousel for a more guided experience. Select matrix allow one choice per row, but if we want to allow multiple answers, we just toggle the option and set the maximum. Here, for example, just 2. Respondents now can select up to 2 options in each row. But let's see it in action inside the interview. Here, inside the interview, we see one of our products at the top, here, with the answer options displayed below as cards. Because we set the rule to allow up to 2 choices, once participants select the second one, the remaining options are automatically gray out. This makes the task simple to follow and ensures that the data stays clean and reliable. But now let's move to the scale matrix. So as before, we start with the question prompt. In this case, we'll ask how satisfied are you with the following aspects of the new iPhone 17? And then we select the scale. Next, we set up the scale across the columns. Here we are using a 1 to 5 Likert scale to simplify, labeled from very dissatisfied to very satisfied. So very dissatisfied, neutral, satisfied, very satisfied. Here you can always add or remove option. Then we add the items as rows. In this example, we'll have battery life, camera, and display. Just like with select matrix, we can randomize items or pin them. And we can switch between layouts and show items in a carousel, depending on how we want the experience to look and feel. Let's move to the interview. Here we are in the interview. Participants respond by selecting one option per row. As soon as every row has an answer, the next button here activates automatically, guiding them smoothly to the following question. That's matrix questions in Glaut, structured, flexible, and designed to minimize bias, with randomization, pinning, layout options, and the ability to allow multiple answers when needed. Researchers can now build complete surveys end-to-end, seamlessly combining AIMIs and matrix questions in one place. Here we are. This is our brand new release, and we can't wait to see how you'll use it. Follow us on LinkedIn for more updates, visit glaut.com to explore the platform, and reach out to our team anytime if you have questions. Please, we'd love to hear from you. Bye.